Ayun, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Kumusta po kayo? So, ngayon, no, we're here again with another content. Actually, a weird one. Siguro, some of you may find this content weird, no? Pero, yun, nakalagay, performing ba o hindi, may issue with the topic of performance, no, in perfumes or etc. No? But yeah, ito lang yung sa akin, guys. No? Siguro, I just wanted to share my thoughts, no? Kasi alam naman natin sa community, no, hindi lang naman sa PH, hindi lang sa local, pero even sa mga ibang content creator, etc. No, they discuss about performance. Well, that's part of the perfume. Totoo naman part naman na when you talk about perfumery, you also talk about sillage, you talk about projection, you talk about longevity and whatnots. No, part yan, no. Pero here's my problem, no, para ano na, no, para malabas na yung problema, grabe problema kagad. Siguro for me, ito lang. Guys, I think it's degrading, to be honest, no, to put it bluntly, na some of the ano, no, yung mga nagtatanong siguro, or even content creators, no, they focus solely on performance, no. They focus dun sa topic na beast mode ba siya o hindi, no. Kasi parang ang dating sa akin, no, parang bahala na kung anong amoy, no, basta amoy pogi, no, quote and unquote. Ano ba yung panty droppers na frags dyan, no, mga ganun, no. Basta performing, yung maamoy ako ng iba, yung magpo-project, yung tatagal ng ano, no, ng 24 hours, grabe, 2 days, grabe, mga ganun, no, na for me personally, well, this is a subjective opinion, guys, no. Some may agree, no, some also may not like me for expressing my thoughts. Pero yun nga, ako personally, at takas ng tingin ko sa perfumery, na while it is true, again, no, na part naman talaga ng topic of perfumery ang ano, no, ang performance, no, nangyari kasi sa atin, guys, yun nga parang ganun na lang ba yung perfume sa atin, parang ang baba parang hindi siya nagtatapos sa performance, no. May perfumer yan, may inspiration, may story. Well, this is not corny for me, no. Pero if you're into a hobby, no, halimbawa shoes, or no, ako I'm also into collecting Marvel plush toys or stuffed toys, no. For me, may ano yan, may value yan, may effect sa akin, no. I also try to read about their story, no, yung brilliance ng ano, no, ng MCU, etc. No, these things, when you start a hobby, I think it's important, kasi hindi lang naman siya, halimbawa sa ibang collection, maganda ba siyang tingnan or hindi lang naman siya ganun. Well, of course, that's part of it, no, yung attraction natin, no, sa kino-collect natin. That's why we buy, that's why we collect. Pero hindi siya nagtatapos doon, hindi siya nagtatapos sa mabango ba o hindi, beast mode ba o hindi, no. Kasi for me, that's ano, that's just ano, hindi siya tama, no. parang let's ano, no, let's get our minds straight in collecting, no. If you are really into this in this hobby, no, into this one, no, you have to see na this is an art, no. This is, may story yan, no, may yung ano, no, yung developments and all, no. That's fascinating, hindi lang naman yan sa mga nerdy type sa frag community, no. Well, that should be, I think personally, subjectively, I think that's something na kailangan nating makita din sa game, no. Pero ayoko maging hipokrito na sabihin na kahit ba halos hindi mo na naamoy, okay lang sa'yo. Well, there are perfumes, no, na I personally wish, no, na sana mas na-perform. Halimbawa, bigyan ko yung example, no. Itong Chantal Carmine, no ng Atelier Cologne, no, discontinued gem, pambira. Still in its first form, no, or old formulation. Napakabango niya, no, pero there's this part of me na sana mas nagpa-perform siya, no. So that's one example. Pero nga I think, no, we have a standard naman, no, ng when it comes to performance, no, at least it lasts for 5 to 6 hours. Okay na yon, no, sa skin, no, sa skin. And at least naamoy mo siya, may bubble ka. I think that's enough kasi minsan yung iba sa atin parang parang ginagawa nating to put it sa salitang kalye, parang nagpapapansin tayo using a perfume, no. Well, part naman yun part naman ng fit mo yun part yun ng accessory mo sa katawan, no. Pero again, no, perfume is just part of your overall fit, no. There's also the topic of how you dress, how you behave, etc. No, pero yun kasi minsan ginagawa natin ng perfumes na paano ba, parang maka-score, dapat beast mode yan para mapansin ako, etc. Yun lang naman, no. Hindi siya ganun kababa, no, para sa akin, no. There's a lot more about perfumes, no. May standard tayo, no, about perfumes, no, pero yun nga, wag nating siguro, for me, no, wag nating ibaba ng ganon kasi hindi siya ganun kababa, no. Ako personally, again, no, ilang beses ko na ito sinabi na ang taas ng tingin ko sa perfumery, ang taas ng tingin ko sa creativity, sa art, no, sa brilliance, no, ng mga perfumers, no, sa inspiration, pambira. There are houses na talagang napaka-deep ng story nila. So, para ipakita na hindi ako hipokrito, no, as part of this content, no, gusto ko lang mag-share sa inyo ng siguro most performing sa collection ko, no. Well, basically, no, most of my collection in general, okay ako sa performance, wala akong problema, no. Compliment, no, bonus yan, no, bonus yan, pero may mga nakuha na akong good compliments, even bad, no. Pero anyway, ayun, siguro i-share ko sa inyo, no. Siguro medyo magiging mahaba ulit yung video, sorry, pero just use the timestamp lalagay natin. So in passing lang, guys, may share ako sa inyong special mentions, no. And very quickly lang sana, no, yung special mention. So one of, I would say, talagang performing is this one, no. This is called Coco by Chanel. This is the Eau de Parfum version. This is a 1984. Take note, guys, this is a splash form, no. So again, this is an indication na this is still in its vintage form. Pambira, guys, isa to sa pinaka-performing na Chanel na na-try ko, no. This is amazing. Peach. There's this beautiful use ng clover, tapos may animalic facet siya. So, tapos may leathery nuances din siya, no. So, pambira. This is really good, no. This is really performing, no. Talagang amoy na amoy ko siya, nagra-radiate talaga siya, no. Talagang bumabato siya, nagpo-project siya. So, in passing lang, guys, and hopefully itong mga to, no, maggawan ko rin ng mga individual reviews nila in the future, no. So, anyway, Coco EDP by Chanel, the 1984 form. The next one, no, naging sikat to sa community. This is called Summer Oud by Ahmed Al-Maghribi, no. This is a niche perfume. I believe meron din silang dupes or clones sa house, but definitely this is niche, no. This is Summer Oud. This is the typical oud and rose combination. So most of the oud and rose combination na naamoy natin, no? Halimbawa, Ombre Nomad, no, ng Louis Vuitton. Yung mga yan, no, may performance talaga sila, no. So this is one of them, oud and rose, and may mandarin siya up top. So para siyang may brightness, no, para siyang may orangey touch to it, no. So Summer Oud by Ahmed Al-Maghribi, no. really loud for me, no? Napaka-loud niya, no? Gusto ko tong most of you siguro gagamitin to sa malamig, pero ako gusto ko tong ginagamit sa mainit. So, yeah, that's just me. Summer Oud by Ahmed Al-Maghribi. Tapos ito, ilang beses na to nag-appear sa aking mga contents, no? This is Cosa Nostra by Renato Lier. Shout out Sir Renato. No, this one is dried citruses, may tobacco, may rum, and that curious note of gunpowder. So, sinabi ko last time, no, tingnan niyo lang yung video ko last time about this. Sinabi ko last time na yung citrus use niya, it's similar to that dryness and earthiness na makikita ninyo or maamoy ninyo sa Terra Essence ng Bulgari. So, yeah, I love this one, no? Really loud, lalo pag malamig, na ma-maximize yung use niya. So, I love the performance, no? Gusto ko yung bato niya sa skin. Gusto ko yung ano niya, no, yung bubble niya na binibigay sa akin. So Cosa Nostra by Renato Lier. And another special mention, this is called Leather Blend by Davidoff. Well, naging sikat to nung 2020, 2021 sa community. Sadly, this is discontinued. This is Davidoff's niche line or exclusive line, no? Leather blend, of course, leather, pero leather na may florals and animalic touches. Mambira, napaka-loud. No, this is not your typical parang paano ba yung typical kasi na leather na naamoy natin. It's like an ombre leather, Tuscan leather ng Tom Ford kind of leather. Well, this is not that kind of leather. This is animalic na leather, no? Parang suede siya. Tapos may florals, no? To the point na pag gagamitin mo to, ginamit ko na to sa mainit, no? And I would have to be honest, no? Medyo naging cloying siya for me, no? So, yeah, really, really loud fragrance, no? Talagang you are making a statement when you're using this. So, Leather Blend by Davidoff, no? And another one, no, this is called African Leather by Memo Paris. No, this is not forward ng leather talaga. Again, no, another translation of leather, parang gano'n, no. Para siyang vetiver plus leather, no, if that makes sense. And may konting animalic touches, no. Well, hindi naman yun prominent, no, kasi baka matakot tayo sa kasi African leather, no. No, it's not, no. It's actually para siyang medyo close sa Terre de Hermes ng Hermes, no. It's like a nichified version of Terre de Hermes, no. Parang ganun, no. Pero I'm not saying na 1-to-1 yung ratio ng closeness nila, no. So, ginamit ko siya sa taxi before, no. Nag-overspray ako. Sabi ko naman I'm an oversprayer, no. And napansin ko lang parang nagbukas ng bintana yung taxi driver, tapos ubo siya ng ubo, no, naparami ata ako, no. This is really loud, no. Naalala ko, naamoy ko siya before sa decant, no? Before I committed to the full bottle. Amoy na amoy siya sa sniff session yun, sa sniff session. So grabe yung bato niya, grabe yung pag-project niya, talagang pambira, amoy na amoy siya, no? African Leather by Memo Paris, no. And another special mention, ang hirap kasi, no, ang hirap mamili, So, yeah, another special mention is Iron Duke, no, by Beaufort London. Siguro ngayon na lang to narinig. This is a niche house na hindi natin madalas makita sa community. This one is animalic, may rum, may leather, may tobacco, and again, no, like Cosa Nostra, meron siyang gunpowder, may pulbura na note, no. So accord, no. So this one, it's really loud, no. Parang yung animalic facets niya, gunpowder, parang para siyang gunpowder na hinalo sa rum, tapos binalot mo ng suede, parang ganun, ang lakas niya, napakalakas niya. There was a time na tinest ko siya, no. Amazing longevity. It projected really well for like 4 hours, no? And napakatagal niya sa skin to, napakatagal, parang until the 8th hour malakas pa rin siya sa skin ko, no? So that's just me, no? But yeah, Iron Duke by Beaufort London, napakaganda ng design. Well, this is inspired, no, sa Duke of Wellington, no? A governor or emperor, if I'm not mistaken, no, ng British Columbia before the 1700s, no? But yeah, Iron Duke by Beaufort London is isa pang special mention, last na special mention. This is called Fate Man by Amouage, no, my favorite house. The cumin here in the Immortelle, it's amazing, no. I love this one, no. Sinusuot ko to sa mainit, sinusuot ko to sa malamig. The sillage is amazing. The projection is amazing, above average na longevity, no. Pambihira, napakabango. Isa to sa definitely papasok sa top 5 ko sa Amouage, no. So yeah, we will do a individual review of Fate Man in the future. So Fate Man by Amouage, no. Now that special mentions are out of the way, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung siguro in the middle, kasi may mga yung term nyo na ginagamit, beast mode, no. But yeah, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang well, sabihin ko na 10 to, no. Pero I'll try to do it quickly, no, or kung mapatagal man, again, no, you can skip, you can use the timestamp. But yeah, 10 ito. Yung top 10, hindi siya in particular order, eh. Yung top 5 mamaya in particular order. Pero yung 10 hanggang 6, no, hindi sila in particular order. But yeah, this is definitely in my sa 10 na pinaka-performing sa collection ko, no. So anyway, in no particular order, no, na-discuss ko na to last time. This is called Antaeus, no, ng Chanel, no. Again, no, I've discussed, no, na this one is the silver sprayer, so it's still vintage, not the first form, but it's still vintage. Kasi again, no, your indication is when it has the silver sprayer, no. So yeah, this has fresh spices up top, no, pero it transitions to earthiness, to woodiness, no. It transitions to or it shows its animalic side, no. Diniscuss ko last time na Antaeus, no, this was the time na when they incorporated leather with castoreum, so it's like an animalic kind of leather, no. So yeah, really great frag, Antaeus, no, hindi pretentious katulad ng ibang mga designer frags ngayon, no, na hakot attention, no, pero it's not true to its name, no. So yeah, this is not pretentious, this is Antaeus, this is masculine frag. Ito yung masculine talaga, na I would say, along with perfumes like Aramis, no, yung kahit ano sa Aramis line, no. Antaeus by Chanel, the vintage form. And another one is called The Dark Side, no, by Francesca Bianchi. Na-share ko na before na ang Francesca Bianchi, isa sila sa pinakagusto kong gumagamit ng amber. Kasi ang amber, it's an accord, no. So iba-iba yung gamit ng amber sa iba't ibang houses, no? So there's no standard use of amber. But yeah, the Dark Side, no, it has violets, it has honey, of course, no, with the hero accord ng amber, no. So yeah, it has lots of animalic facets to it. May floral siya pero it's dark, no, and it is all wrapped in amber, parang ganun, no. So there was a time, no, na lumabas kami ng mga kapatid ko, no. Pumunta kami sa isang cafe ng gabi. I wore this one, no. Sabi ko, siguro okay naman, no, parang cozy naman yung pag inamoy ko kasi sa atomizer, no, parang siyang cozy, no, but it's really challenging. No, so nag-spray ako parang 4, no, parang 5. And instantly, no, nung doon na kami sa car, no, niregret ko yung decision ko. Parang sabi ko naparami ata ako ng spray. This is really loud, no, parang there were times pa nung kumakain kami, no, parang medyo na-interrupt yung pagkain ko kasi naamoy ko yung dark side, no. So be careful sa trigger, no. This is really performing. This is really loud, no. Talagang doon ko na-determine na mas maganda siya na you would wear this one sa talagang malamig na Baguio, no. So The Dark Side by Francesca Bianchi, no. And another one, no, this is from the House of Electimus London. Well, ang kilala lang kasi ngayon sa House ng Electimus London, sumisikat sa community is Vixere and Imperium, no. But yeah, they're performing naman, no. Pero in terms of performance, no, ito yung I would say a gem sa collection ko. This is called Octavian, no. You would see the Octavian here, no. So that's inspired from the Emperor of Rome, no, and the success of Rome, the rebuilding of Rome, wars, etc., no. So Electimus London Octavian, no. This one, no, napakabigat na bote nito, no. This one is basically oud and rose, no. But this is not your typical oud and rose, no. Unlike halimbawa itong shinare ko kanina, summer oud ng Ahmed Al-Maghribi. This one is may ano siya, may paano ba? May enough dose siya ng oud, but at the same time it is complemented with siguro the same amount of rose, no. It's like if you have tried Powal or Portrait of a Lady ni Frederick Malle, no, may similarities sila, no, but of course Powal focuses on the rose, no. This one, it has lots of rose, but also it has lots of oud, no. So it's not your typical one. Actually, may side pa siya, no. So it's a bit animalic din, no. May side pa siya na medyo similar din sa oud Ispahan ng Christian Dior, no. If you have tried oud Ispahan, no, I had oud Ispahan before. But yeah, siguro may ayun, no, yun yung similarities niya, oud Ispahan and Powal, no. Parang if you combine Powal and oud Ispahan, Octavian yung baby nila, parang gano'n, no. So really loud, no. For me, ito yung mga perfumes na enough na yung 1 to 2 sprays, no. You're good to go. Napakalakas niya, no. Talagang may presence ka, no. Parang it's true to its name, Octavian, no. So may scent bubble na maganda, okay projection, etc. So Octavian, no. And another one, shinare ko na rin to before, no. This is called Le Lion from Chanel, from their less exclusives, the Chanel line, their niche or their exclusive line. This one, suot ko siya nung Sunday, really loud, no. Amoy na amoy ko sarili ko. It's a busy day for me, no. This one is Labdanum Balm to, no. Ang daming Labdanum, no. Of course, may citruses up top, para siyang sinunog na citrus. Mas dark pa siya sa citrus ng Terra Essence ng Bulgari, no. But yeah, this one is loud, no, I would say, no. And again, no, this is one of those perfumes na kakukuha mo pa lang, no, gusto mo sana, ang regret mo lang is not getting the more, no, the more yung juice niya na bottle, no. Meron kasi 200 ml to, eh. So yeah, this is the 75 ml, no. And I think enough na to for now, no. I'm trying to target Coromandel or Cuir de Russie, Sycamore Parfum, 1932, no. Yun yung mga tina-target ko siya ngayon. So yeah, Le Lion by Chanel, a loud fragrance, I would say, no. And another one, no, this is naglag, no. This is Interlude Man by Amouage, no. This is called the Blue Beast, no. This is an old batch kasi yung kanyang interlude, it's still in the side, no. Yung mga newer batches kasi ng interlude, nandito na yung interlude sa baba ng Amouage, no. Well, I've yet to try yung newer batch, no. Yung isang kakilala ko meron siyang newer batch, so we will compare by this Saturday, no. So yeah, incense, no, may oud konti, may tamis, no, may mga maraming spices, no, but basically it's incense na matamis, no. It's not para siyang burning na matamis na incense, parang ganun yung Interlude Man for me. So Interlude Man by Amouage, really loud, no. So nagkaroon ako ng disaster dito, share ko lang, no, pambira guys. My Interlude Man bottle is ruined. Yung mga puti-puti na yan, that's super glue, no, kasi I was trying to fix the collar of my Amouage bottle, no, itong Interlude Man. So ang ginawa ko, carelessly naglagay ako ng super glue, no, but the problem is yung konting pisil ko ng super glue nag-overflow sa side, sa likod, no. So yeah, so I tried cleaning it up, no, and testing it, no, you know, the fear na well sealed naman yan, pero you know, yung mga maisip mo na baka may napunta sa juice, etc. So in-spray ko siya sa sa tissue, no. But by the way, no, wag niyo gagawin yun guys, no. Lesson learned, no. Bihira, the juice is okay, pero as you can see, may ganito, and may mga na-scrape off na sa paint, no. So it's really a lesson learned, no. But yeah, it's still okay, no. Okay, intact pa rin lahat, no, and I've resolved the color problem, but yeah, nanganak ng isa pang problema. But ayun, in-spray ko siya sa tissue, no, isang spray lang, no, tapos tinapon ko na yung tissue. After siguro mga 8 hours, naamoy ko siya sa basurahan, no. Sabi ko, yung amoy na yun, it smells familiar, kasi parang parang wala na sa isip ko kanina. It smells familiar. Ano yung naamoy ko sa kusina? Yung pala, Interlude, no, yung in-spray ko sa tissue. So it's really loud, no. I would not say na beast mode siya, no, but definitely may performance siya, malakas siya, no. So Interlude Man by Amouage. Now we're down to our top 5. Ito guys ay talagang in order to, no. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na talagang inano ko yan, no, binilangan ko ng oras, etc. Hindi naman ganun, pero I would say na ito yung mga talagang performing, no. If I would ride your beast mode na label sa perfumes, sa performance, well, this is the beast mode, no, in my performance, in my perfumes, in my collection, no. So top 5, no. The fifth one, this is Overture Man by Amouage, no. Ilang beses na rin to nag-appear sa mga contents ko, no. Cognac, may myrrh, no, may lots of spices, no, and may animalic touches, no. Great frag, no, pambira. It's really loud, no. I have tried this before. Ang lakas ng loob ko na I've layered this one with Jubilation 25. I have Jubilation 25. Lumabas ako ng morning hanggang hapon, parang hindi ako makahinga, no. What a mistake, no. Kasi ang lakas-lakas na nito, no. Ang loud niya, no. And ginamit ko pa yan sa busy na day, sa mainit na day, no. Yeah, this is really loud, no. Overture Man by Amouage, no. And the next one, number 4, this is Royal Tobacco. Ilang beses na rin ito nakita sa content ko by Amouage, no. Actually may kwento lang ako dito, no. Itong frag na to, there was a time, no, na pinunta ko si Kevin, shout out Sandtown. Shoot niya yung Royal Tobacco. May kinuha ko sa kanyang frag, no. May binili kasi akong frag. Tapos ito yung gamit niya. Amoy na amoy ko siya, no. Sabi ko, alam ko yung perfume na yon, Royal Tobacco yon. No doubt, amoy na amoy ko siya. Parang yung Royal Tobacco, pinumoy yung sasakyan niya. Hanggang paglabas ko, amoy na amoy ko yung Royal Tobacco, no. Yeah, it's really loud. Lots of spices, may basil up top, fresh and warm spices, no? Of course, tobacco, may oud, no? It's not your typical use of tobacco na madalas yung maamoy Naxos or pure Haban. Hindi ganun tobacco, no? Hindi pipe tobacco. Yeah, this one may oud, no? May fresh and warm spices. There's this curious note of fenugreek, yung amoy curry, honey, maple, parang ganun, no? So again, no, a loud frag, Royal Tobacco by Amouage, no? And the next one, no, top 3, no, this is Faisa by Ramon Monigal, no. Faisa, this is inspired sa sun, no, how the sun would look like, would feel like. Shinare ko na yan, kunin ko lang, no. Ayun, no, I have frags, no, from the House of Amouage na ganun din yung pinoportray how a sun would feel like, would look like. No, this is Sunshine Man, no, by Amouage, no. Ganun din yung kanyang inspiration, no. By the way, this is good in performance, no. Siguro may mas performing lang in my collection. So yeah, this is inspired from basically the sun, and the woman variation, this is Sunshine Woman, no. This is also inspired from the sun, no, yung parang energy it gives, no. And bango yun, Sunshine Woman, parang similar sila, no. Speaking of Faisa, parang similar sila ng inspiration, no, yung the life-giving image of the sun, no, yung warmth, etc. Ayun, ganun din yung pinapakita sa Faisa, no. This one is basically oud and rose, pero it has raspberry. Well, Ombre Nomad by Louis Vuitton is is heavy on the raspberry, no. But this one, no, mas gusto ko siguro, no, kaya di-let go ko yung Ombre Nomad ko ng Louis Vuitton kasi satisfied na ako dito. And this is loud, no, napaka-loud niya, and may fecal facet siya, and may yellow na florals, white and yellow florals, no. So if there be a loud na oud frag na I have tried, no, definitely Faisa would have to be one of them, no. So yeah, Faisa really performing the frag, no. And naalala ko lang, no, there was a time, no, yung shinare ko yung inspiration nito nung pumunta kami sa Makati last year for the Niche Frag Speech sniff session. In-spray ko to parang 2 times, no. Hanggang magbiyahe kami ng gabi, amoy na amoy ko siya dito kasi in-spray ko siya sa fabric, sa jacket ko ata. Amoy na amoy ko, no, to the point na habang nagbabiyahe medyo nakasukan na siya kasi amoy na amoy mo. Yeah, great frag, no, Faisa by Ramon Monigal. Top 2, patapos na po tayo, malapit na. The second one is another from the House of Amouage, no. This is called Silver Oud, no. This is one of, I would say, the most challenging frags in my collection, no. This one is smoky, this one is fecal, no. It has this curious note of ambrarome, ambergris na may coffee na bitter talaga, may oud, may civet, no, may tobacco, ang daming nandoon, no. So it's there, no, it's here, no. And this is definitely one of the best use of Nagarmotha na naamoy ko, no. Woody, earthy, para siyang basa, no, pero if it makes sense, para siyang basa pero may sunog, parang gano'n, no. Parang gano'n, no, Nagarmotha, no. If you have tried Promise, maganda rin yung Nagarmotha ng Promise ng Frederic Malle, no. I had Promise before, no. Isa sa mga, I would say, no, na medyo may kirot pa rin sa akin na nilet go ko before. But yeah, anyway, Silver Oud, this is loud, no. Nung pinakwento ko kanina yung kay Kevin, yung perfume na binili ko sa kanya, naamoy ko yung Royal Tobacco. Ito yun. Bago ako sumakay ng taxi, ni-spray ko siya dito, no. And na medyo nakaya kasi nandun ako sa likod ng taxi. I usually do not go sa front, no, pag mag-isa ko lang, no, but pansin ko yung taxi driver, katulad nung experience ko sa African Leather. Nagbukas siya ng mga bintana, tapos ubo siya ng ubo, tapos gano'n sa nose niya, no. So wala naman ako ibang naamoy. Siguro ang suspect is silverwood, no. So it's really loud, no. Trinay ko na rin siya sa skin, no. Napakatagal sa skin, no. Definitely ano yan, sa fabric mas matagal, no. But yeah, a really loud frag. And the most performing beast mode, kung ano pa man yung terminologies dyan, no, perfume that I have right now in my current collection, no. And para magtapos na rin tayo, no, haba na naman nung content ko. The most performing perfume that I have in my collection is called Kutay, no. Medyo tacky yung name. Kutay by Unique E-Luxury. This is whiskey forward, no. This is really loud, no. There was a time, no, na in-spray ko siya, nagsisi ako kasi kinabukasan, no, nag-spray ako ng gabi, no. After like 10 hours, amoy na amoy ko pa rin siya, na nahihilo na ako. I have to take a bath, no. Kailangan ko siyang talagang tanggalin yung amoy, nagugas ako. I have to take a bath, no. And ang ginagawa ko after that, pinupunas ko na lang yung sprayer sa skin ko or sa fabric. There was a time na ginawa ko yun sa fabric, no. Pinunas ko lang, no. May pinunasan na ako mga parts, no. May juice na yung fabric. Nag-last yun for like 1 month, no. It's crazy, no. But yeah, that's my experience sa Kutay. This is really loud, no. This is close sa Baraonda, but this one is the drunk brother of Baraonda, kasi Baraonda may whiskey yun, pero it's balanced by florals, no, somehow, no, ng Nashumato. But this one, this is 90% whiskey and 10% everything else, no. So it's whiskey, no. So the loudest one in my collection is called Kutay, no? So ayun, mahaba, no, pero gusto ko lang share sa inyo yung mga, I would say, na talagang really performing sa collection ko. But again, no, final words, no, guys, huwag kayong magpapapekto sa performance lang, no. Again, that's part of it, no. May standard tayo sa performance, that's true. Pero always remember that there's more to performance, no. Hindi lang performance, hindi lang longevity, hindi lang yung compliment, no. Gusto ko i-discuss in the future. But yeah, hindi tayo nagtatapos doon, no. May iba pang magagandang bagay, no, to put it that way, no, for lack of better terms. May magaganda pang mga bagay or topic about the perfume that we can read, we can study, we can enjoy, no. So yun lang, guys, no. Again, the timestamp would be provided in the description dahil mahaba to, no. If you find this interesting, if you find this helpful sa inyo, no, lalo sa inyong fragrance journey somehow, please do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ingat po kayo.